In this video, I'll show you how you can install Node.js on Windows 11. So first, open up a web browser. So I'm on Google Chrome, I'm on Google, and you need to do a search here for Node.js. Once you've done that, you should be able to come to their official website. So click it should be nodejs.org. Here we can then click Node.js. And you can then choose the version. I recommend choosing the current version. Then you need to scroll down and we're going to download the Windows installer. So go ahead and click on that and it will download the installation wizard. Once it's downloaded, you can go ahead and open up this installation wizard and then click next. Accept the terms of service, then click next and then choose where you want to install it to. I'm going to keep it on the default. We'll click next. And then we'll click next again. Then click next one more time and then click install. Then you may need to click yes to any administrator pop-up. And there you go, Node has been installed. We can go ahead and click finish. Now if we search for it, we should be able to open it by searching for Node. And here you can see Node.js. That's how you do it. I hope that video helped you out.